building blocks, competitive advantages of AirAsia. Before that, we can come into glance through. Before that, we can discuss some background of AirAsia. AirAsia is established in 1993 and it commenced operations in 1996. And in 2001, Tune Air Asia's first and main base is the low-cost carrier terminal at Kuala Lumpur International Airport, while its secondary hubs are at Kota Kinabalu International Airport, Senai International Airport and Penang International Airport. When we come to vision of the AirAsia, its vision is to be the largest low-cost airline in Asia and serving the 3 billion people who are currently underserved with poor connectivity and high fares. And its mission is to be the best company to work for, whereby employees are treated as part of a big family, create a globally recognized Asian brand, and to attain the lowest cost so that everyone can fly with the AirAsia, maintain the highest quality product, embracing technology to reduce cost and enhance service levels. AirAsia is a Malaysian multinational low-cost airline headquartered near Kuala Lumpur. It is the largest airline in Malaysia by fleet size and destinations. AirAsia operates scheduled domestic and international flights to more than 165 destinations spanning 25 countries. The partners turned the company around, producing a profit in 2002 and launching new routes from its hub in Kuala Lumpur, undercutting former monopoly operator Malaysia Airlines with the promotional fares as low as $0.27. In 2003, AirAsia opened a second hub at Senai International Airport and launched its first international flight to Bangkok. And AirAsia operates with the world's lowest unit cost of $0.023 per available seat kilometer and a passenger break-even load factor of 52%. In 2007, the New York Times described the airline as a pioneer of low-cost travel in Asia. AirAsia is the sponsor of Malaysia National Football Team, Singapore National Football Team, Jamshedpur FC and Queen's Park Rangers. AirAsia is also former sponsor of Manchester United and Asia Red Bull. AirAsia has consistently been named as the world's best low-cost carrier for 11 years by Skytrax in a row in international travel and airline awards, including the latest award for 2019. However, at the start of the COVID-19 pandemic, AirAsia chose not to give blanket refunds to passengers of flights. It cancelled to preserve cash, offering instant travel vouchers by default, with refunds only issued on a case-by-case basis. There were 8 affiliate airlines related to AirAsia. The first one is AirAsia China, Vietnam, India, Japan, and AirAsia X, Indonesia, AirAsia, and Philippines, and Thai AirAsia. When we come to awards and recognitions, AirAsia became Asia's first ticketless airline, doing away with the classic paper air ticket and the hassle of having to collect it. Initially, our guests were apprehensive of this, having only a book number. When we come to resources of AirAsia, AirAsia's tangible resources, including its fleet and hubs, enhance the company's low-cost capabilities.
AirAsia continues to strengthen the positions as one of the Asian top online travel agency. It accommodates OTAs. We did to the partnership with the Trip.com, one of the world's largest leading online travel agencies, and its brand. The partnership between two travels powerhouse will be enabled to the AirAsia super app to having access the over 1.2 billion additional hotels for 200 countries and the region added to its list of inventory, protecting travel with the even more choices and value to compare to the travel plans. The travel industries is an exploratory rebound across the region, and we are very bound to have Trip.com. Partner us is in provide the best deal to AirAsia Super RUC. So the partnerships of capables as an OTA has been signification explained the Trip.com. Strength is the technological innovations in the travel industries, especially as to offer the customer generation choices, communications and semi-classes will be continuously leverages on the strength of the data we have built over the past two dedications with allow us to understand our user better. As said for the partnership will be surely strength our travel ecosystems, and we looking forward to the survey all of new and existing super of users with the more travel fuel through the partnership with Trip.com. Our cabin crew is the most important position due to the customer facing nature, and it has created a destination safety and services standard through undergoing the campaign includes safety trainings and the executives in the 5 services touch point we have. 5 services touch point: cabin crew safety training, passenger safety of utmost important, which why safety training for our cabin crew in religious. Training for the practice is considered to accommodations with the civil avocations, authorizations of Thailand, religious by experience, and cabin crew instructions and safety examination user only. International standard equipment. All cabin crew must source at least 19 out of 100 points in each course of their training. So we may across our guests that we are the knowledgeable and capable hands, and they will receive the process the recurring if circumstances across. Our campaign crew is the prepare for the performance of emergency campaign presentations, unpredictable emergency evaluations, post infected duties and first aid kits, while avoiding the medical response to increases changes of the recovery, etc. Our training is technical and result based, and the theory and practical test are performed every 12 months of the year. Skills and introductions, new know-how. They are also provided utmost confidence is the safety to our guests and our cabin crew themselves. 5 touch points is professional serving, personally serving, cabin performance, magic level, thank you ratings. Also one of the 5 services. Maintenance services quality. Will our campaign crew or extends to all work of the heart. They are undergoes process checked by our campaign crew executive to ensure they are authorizing to Thai AirAsia standard. And the check see external applications authorizes boarding flight as guest and observation. Our campaign crew is the time of the grooming, attitude, consider and use of the 5 services touch points. Results of the survivals are reporting back of the evaluations. Then guest services. Guest services stop recurring to undergoing to the services excellent trainings. We are instilling each of them of positive attitude and throughout undergoing of the services excellent for the welcoming guesting and leading we are to impress us to attend representative guests. They are trainings to flexible with the maintaining all safety standard and holding the Thai AirAsia is respected as well as complying to all regulations. Improving of the travel communications. Thai AirAsia, one of the earliest low fare airlines to operate technologies to streamline operations and to creating great guest communications, especially in the reducing wait time. In light of the high volume of the people that we carry, to address the issues we create and incorporate technology. Waste management. Our policies that reduces for the possibles all waste generated by all our opportunities and to maximize our recycling rate. Waste generated was greatly reduces in 2030 because of the reducing freight operations. Schedule of waste. Most of the scheduled waste product related to the engineering aspects of our flight operations and compare spend like acid batteries, electronics and electronic accessibilities, mercury and related components. Examples: petroleum also spend oils, commodity crude oils, regulators.
Qualities of AirAsia. As we discuss about qualities of AirAsia, AirAsia is certified as a 3-star low-cost airline for the qualities of its airports and onboarding product and staff service. In quality product rating, AirAsia includes cabin, comfort package and seat charges by onboard, food beverage and cabin cleanliness and service rating for cabin and ground staff. In qualities of AirAsia is a standard 29 inches pitch okay for short flight, and never aircraft have USB charging and free Wi-Fi IFE streaming available on some aircraft, but the content quite limited. In by onboard choice, prices is reasonable and there is good quality and good range of pre-order items. In AirAsia, cabin staff service can be good but in a good lack consistency. In nowadays, many people will choose to purchase flight tickets for online. Majority people spend 3 to 4 hours to search information about the destination they are going in. Therefore, AirAsia is quality service and AirAsia is true. In AirAsia is a low-cost certain carrier for Malaysia, which established since 2001. AirAsia is now one of the largest qualities and low-cost airlines in Asia. Is a philosophy. Is AirAsia tagline is now everyone can fly. AirAsia believes in work to be concerned with the low fare, and business concept includes no frills and hassle-free. AirAsia is serving 3 billion people who are currently poor understanding and connectivity. High fares in AirAsia. In AirAsia, among us, the first to achieve the highest COVID safety rating from airline rating qualities for all procedures and processes introduced to make flying safer than every era of travel. AirAsia was also named one of the top 20 safest low airlines at 2020. In AirAsia has 2 class A330 aircraft on long haul routes. In AirAsia premium class will good quality and good flatbed seat and complimentary meals and other items such duet and noise cancelling headsets. In AirAsia economy class is highly designated 3 layout. AirAsia quality taken first step towards starting an own frequent flyer program. The airline has signed an agreement to start joint venture for financial service firm. And AirAsia, because of quality organization, has very good culture. They also work as a team wanted to improve the quality work. In AirAsia, besides the leader has a good leadership skill. In AirAsia, a new logo, visual identity created by 72 and Singapore has released a new app. In AirAsia, tagline will be now everyone can play.
As we come on efficiency and superior in efficiency and quality in AirAsia, we are going to an innovation spot. AirAsia, we are using our own online bookings. We have expanded our service initially into our ancillary products and adjacency business, and now into an entirely new core businesses, AirAsia Digital. This encompasses the AirAsia Super App, Teleport, Samsung, and BigPay and BigLife. It's a new innovation idea we are going to launch in soon. Our transformation has been made possible by investing in the right
have used teleport system. And on Santon, the food group which started off in our flight menu brand. In our flight, we have type of fruits is B2B and B2C consumption marketplace. And then we take a homegrown fintech company that aims to become a digital bank in our AirAsia. In Big Life, a lifestyle rewards platform that goes beyond flights. Contact travel convinces. As we continue to revolutionary air travel, we must develop our recent times to further improvement the guest experience and making flights not only safe, affordable, but also more seamless and contactless than even before. Here technologies we are interested in before you fly. First one is we have a flight booking. In the COVID-19 certifications are also provided in our scan to fly. We scan means we know that we have any infections and any virus we have attacked that will known our all. And then during self-check-in, we have want to proceed our COVID-19 certification and then any medical certification we upload to our app. We know that all. And we have after the check-in only we have an approved or rejected. If we approved means only we have to day of departure in our, it's shown in our app, AirAsia app onwards. Scan to fly. It's another just to scan, upload any medical certificate required during online self-checking process. The system is able to determine guest eligibility to fly before the arrival to the airport. With scan to fly, AirAsia guests can upload their medical certificates during their self-check-in process. This includes the corresponding process of any required documents to verify that whether the passenger is approved to fly, authorized, valid of COVID-19 is negative. You all are. And as you know that our system is successfully implemented by Grey Matter and has already gone live for a number of our flights from Malaysia's KLI A2 airport to from Singapore as well as to Surabaya, and will be launching soon for possible in Jakarta. The cloud-hosted technology is very tightly integrated and tailored our applications and is equipped with robust information security, which will be eventually be introduced to other destinations. Valid travel documents which are prior to travel. Standard flight deliver numerous efficiencies with reduced stop interactions and airport, and provides guests with peace of mind. Before traveling to the airport, once the documents are uploaded, the airport is automatically with the approval or rejection status, including the reason of any rejections. The airline is also working with the Vision Box of further deploy numerous other touchless experience systems for digital identity management across the airline's travel and finance ecosystem. And CEO faces our biometric recognition system, passengers reconciliation system, enables guests to scan their boarding onwards, passes to eliminate their need physical contact between guest and aviation security staff. And from their check-in till the board, the 31 local currencies and sites. Trip.com has an extensive hotel and flight network consisting of more than 1.2 million hotels and flights, over 480 airlines. Trip.com has a now we are collaborating with AirAsia, and presently Tata also come to develop our AirAsia's to next level. We have creative to more in AirAsia and also Trip.com, and another .com or another 2-3 .coms are now wanted to help for us to improve our innovations ideas. And
coming to the customer responsiveness, how our customers are respond to our company. When the coronavirus pandemic struck in early 2020, so our company fully hit and hot. So we had to stop and restart flying several times in different countries because of changing restrictions. In March, when everything was closing down, customers flooded services, representation questions, and about the cancellations and changes. Our company received 10 times as many customer inquiries each day as it normally. After fielding 20 million customers requests 2019, our company expected that number to reach 15 million by the end of 2020 to 150% increases. While such a task would appear, the airlines was already step ahead because of changing had made to be last year. Staff quickly in response to the new representation called All Stars. These All Stars would have to be trained quickly to meet the extraction standard of the airlines, which he didn't want to risk losing earned reproductions for outstanding services. So our company has won the Sky Tax Award for the World Best Low Cost Airline for 11 years running, and it is a certified in customer service by the International Organization for Standard Air Achievement. Then after 2 weeks of intensive training, the skilled employees were put to the rest. Our company had enough staff members to resolve the customers' inquiries within 24 hours. It worked very well. Just 2 weeks, flight crews, engineers, and flight attendants mastered the technical and communication skills to take care of our customers' needs. Coming back to the employees' well-being, it is very important to our company customer satisfactions. During this pandemic, our company has hosted daily Zoom meetings featuring games and competitions as well as updates. It also had internal support platforms and presentations from psychologicals to help isolated remote workers through tough times. We do a lot to make sure people across the business get the help they need, our support.
AirAsia has one of the most successful companies in the airline industries. The analysis of main specific of its strategy, its method of achieving cost leadership and differentiation and techniques used to sustain its comparability reveals the secret of the success of AirAsia. The primary method of achieving differentiation employed is to providing lowest possible prices. The company stands out from the rest of Asian airlines by offering the most attractive fares. Besides, the airline achieved differentiation by being the pioneer and many service in Asia region. It was the first region to introduce Ticket Plus Flight mobile application for booking the seat, online checking. Such innovation made the air unique and distinctive from the rest of local companies. The company is also regarded having a more relaxed and refreshing image than those out of airlines, and flight attendees are not obligated to stick to the uniform names. The chief executive of airlines has to contribute a lot of differentiation of the company by being open journalist and providing instant access to all the news of the company's mass media. In AirAsia focuses on minimizing operating costs to gain profits and launch a low-cost carrier. Lastly, the lowest to develop manage teams and manage quality with 27.8% in Asia. Differentiation managed for AirAsia employees and good quality are important, so when the passenger enter the plane, they feel satisfied and comfortable. Operations triggers economic activities and benefit not just airline employees and their families, but also indirectly offers gains to from a low-cost business model, AirAsia attributes the growth to its people. The low-cost airline in AirAsia, the strength of AirAsia to maintain low cost, whereby they don't have to provide but still can maintain a quality that we. AirAsia has successfully created low-cost airline, maintaining among their workforce for this differentiation of AirAsia.
AirAsia. Now everyone can play. Let's explain up for another company. There is a plan to low-cost strategy. So we use the low-cost proposal to create a price advantages for the company. As usually, a company has a kind of strategy or more forces on a specified market, like offering product to narrow marketing segment instead of the broad one. The company is aimed to the cheapest supplier in the NIC, but not necessarily in the overall of our market. And we believe in the hassle-free, no fares, low fare business concept, and we keep cost low, need high efficiencies in every part of the business. Our efficiencies create the saving which are the possible to the customers, so they then will be able to purchasing an affordable price, but still with a high quality of the air travels. AirAsia target the people who want to travel around the AirAsia only for the business purposes or any kinds of the purposes. The fare are really known of the lower fare. Then they outline then the other airlines select strategies that targeting to the peoples who are willing to travel without fees of meals, airports. Luggages are frequently paying billions in the exchange of their fares. To be able to adjust with the shift combinations or that keep increases in the airline market, the airline industry standing to comes up with the different approaches and the strategies to be a more competitive. Like any other airlines adopt a strategy approaches the marketing and the market resources, and they get better and they certifying services delivery to the target market. We and industry is considered different strategy. Our company continues to focus on the low cost approaches frequently. Flight approach, guest communications, ticketless services, easy pay channels, internet booking, reservations, and this, sales offer and authorization travels. AirAsia is cheap and bestest air transport, and we have go to the applications AirAsia Super. The application for the lot of offers giving to our company, and then there is office for officially we have launched it. That have a ticketless journey of AirAsia all over AirAsia.
Coming to the value creations of our company AirAsia. So first of all, the service is unmeasurable because it's very felt by the customers. So every customer who buy a product is always thinking not just buy this product, but also buy the services that accompany the company. If customers are satisfied with the service provided, then we will come back buy the product. After multiple customers buy those products, the service accompanying the product must accompany the items purchased. So the service cannot be separate for the product. Then coming to the airline service, in this statement, our company AirAsia's widespread adoption of self-service technologies, it is increasingly important to understand the factor affecting our customers. So in this statement, our attitude towards this kiosk are mainly considered the customers' adoptions, like new technologies, timbering, and however, etc. Then, however, although substantial research has been conducted to study the functions, technologicals, and informations. Then our company throughout the world, little research has been performed to determining the whether self-service kiosks provide a sufficiently high quality services for our air passengers. Okay, thank you, my teammates. Your opinions, it's very nice meeting us. So everyone can fly.